I'm going to show you two different things today, but you have three jobs. Your first and most important job is to finish your comic. All right? Once you've finished your comic, I would like you to go, actually I'm going to do it backwards. I want you to go and rate other people's comics first, then finish your comic, then I'm going to show you where and how to embed the code into a wiki page. All right? So let me show you first how to rate the comic and what kind of ratings you can give it. All right? I just went to comics and went to our gallery, student gallery, just like we did yesterday. If you notice, if you think it's very artistic, you can give it an artistic rating. If you think it's a good read, that there's lots of good information, you can give it a good reading. If you think it's funny, then you can give it a funny rating. All right? Now, what I'm going to ask that you do next is to, once you've done that, I want you to edit your comic and then submit it one last time. Then you're going to embed. Now I'll show you where and how and in which wiki page or which wiki project we're going to do that in. Once you've submitted it for the final time, and I really want you to take into consideration all of the comments that they've put in here. All right? Take them to heart. If there's some good ones, you've got time to upgrade. This is the universal code for embedding it into a website. All right? So what you're going to do is once you're done, your final project, you think you're good to go, you're going to click Embed in Website. And it's going to give you a bunch of options. Let me show them to you. Embed in a website. Embed this comic by copying and pasting one of the code snippets below. A flash widget, which would be a full-size auto-scaling. Then you've got flash widget, full-size horizontal format. Then you've got full-size horizontal with scroll bar. Full-size in vertical format. I don't really care which one you do. All right? If you're not sure what they mean, though, you can click the preview button and it'll show you what it looks like. All right? So when you click on this button, then the whole cartoon will expand. And then you can scroll. All right? If you don't like this one, we'll get rid of it by Xing out of it, and we'll preview the next one. All right? Let's say this is the one that I want. I'm going to click here. Here's my code. All right? I'm going to, actually, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to X out of it. This is the one that I want. I'm going to copy it. I've just copied the code. I am then going to go to the 6th grade wiki page. And your 6th grade wiki page, when you get there, will look like this. You will go to Projects. Inside Projects, it'll say 13.1, 13.2 Comics. You'll click on that. And then these team numbers are the same as your table numbers. Who's sitting at table 1? Who's sitting at table 2? Who's sitting at table 3? So on and so forth. If I'm sitting at table 1, I will open up table 1, and I will go to the home page and then Edit. Now, when you get to the Edit page, you will see all of these buttons. Okay? You want to use the widget button. Widget buttons, I just pressed return to get the cursor down here. The widget button, when you click on it, will give you all kinds of different features to add. You can add videos, you can add calendars, you can do spreadsheets, you can do slideshows, social media. I've shown you all this before. All right? What we're going to do today is we're going to go to Other HTML. It's at the very bottom. So let me show you again what I did. I went to Edit, then Widget, then I'm going to Other HTML. I'm going to paste this in here, and then I'm going to click Save, Save, and in theory, my Pixton cartoon should be there.